Hello everyone! So this is my small CVS haul for this week, August 9 to August 15 of 2020. So I just picked up some items that I have CRT and coupons that about to expire. So first I pick up the Crest 3D White. It's 4.1 ounce. And then I use the digital coupon for the Crest, and also I clip also the CRT. So it's $3.99. So the 3 are $11.97. And then I use the $2 off Crest Toothpaste CRT. I use the $3 off Teeth Whitening Kit CRT. I use the $3 Crest digital coupon. I use the $2 digital coupon for Crest also. And the $1 Any Mouthwash CRT came out also. So the total coupons that I use are $11. So I paid 97 cents and then I get back $5 extra box reward, making it $4 and 3 money maker for the Crest toothpaste. So it's a nice deal in toothpaste. And then I pick up the Garnier remover. So this is the only remover that left in the aisle. And I'm trying to use also this $2 insert, but it's not working. And the cashier said it should be for Garnier Miscellar water. So it's okay. This is my note for that. It's buy 2 and you will get $5 extra box reward. And it's buy 1 get 1 50% also. So the price is $6.99 and the 50% off is $3.50. So the total are $10.49. And then I use the $2 off Garnier Miscellar Cleansing CRT that I got from last week. I use also the $2 off Any Garnier that I print out in coupon.com, and the total coupons that I use are $4. So I paid $6.49 and then I get back $5 extra box reward, making it $1.49 or 74 cents each. So I got 2. And then I pick up also the Garnier shampoo and conditioner. And it's buy 2 and you will get $2 extra box reward. So I pick up this damage eraser scent. This is my note for that. So buy 2 for $7 and then I use the $4 Garnier shampoo insert. So I paid $3 and then I get back $2 extra box reward, making it 50 cents each. It's a nice deal in shampoo. And then I pick up also the Gillette. So this one is the Gillette Fusion 5 and this one is the Gillette Mach 3. So it's buy 2 and you will get $10 extra box reward. This is my note for that. So the Gillette Mach 3 is $9.79 and the Gillette Fusion is $11.49. And then I use the 5 off 20 Any Shave CRT. I use the $3 off Any Shave product CRT that I got. And I use the 2 off $2 Gillette manufacturing coupon from P&G. So the total are 4. So the total coupons that I use are $12. So I paid $9.28 and then I get back $10 extra box reward, making it free plus 72 cents money maker for the Gillette. So I got the Gillette razor for free and I got also the toothpaste for free. And here are the extra box reward that I got from my first transaction. So the $10 is for the Gillette. The $5 is for the Crest toothpaste. And then the $5 is from the Garnier facial cleanser. And the $2 is for the Garnier shampoo. So total I got $22 extra box reward plus a $4.75 money maker in the first transaction. And then I did another transaction and I used my husband's card in this second transaction. So I pick up the Colgate Max Fresh Toothpaste. It's buy 2 and you will get $4 extra box reward. And this is 6.0 ounce. It's a big toothpaste. And I used a lot of coupons for that. So this is my note for that. I used the 2 of 10 Colgate toothpaste. So by the way, it's priced for $2.99. So the 4 are $11.96. So I used the 2 of 10 Colgate toothpaste. I used the $3 off whitening CRT. I used 50 cents coupons from August 2 Smart Source Insert. So the total are $2. So the total coupons that I use are $7. And I paid $4.96 for 4 toothpaste. But I get back $8 extra box reward, making it free plus $3 and for money maker for the Colgate toothpaste. What a nice deal. Free toothpaste plus a money maker. And then I pick off the CoverGirl cosmetic. So I have a lot of brow pencil. So I decided to pick up one of the clean matte. So the CoverGirl is buy 2 and you will get $7 extra box reward. So the CoverGirl brow pencil is $5.99 and the clean matte is $8.59. And this one have a free sponge already. And it's kind of nice. I like this shade. I'm not able to open. So it's close or close. And this is my note for that. I used the 3 of 12 Any Cosmetics CRT. I used the $3 CoverGirl face product coupon from August 9. And I used also the $3 CoverGirl eye product from August 9 Smart Source Insert. So the total coupons that I use are $9. So I paid $5.58 and then I get back $7 extra box reward, making it $1.42 money maker for CoverGirl. So what a nice deal for CoverGirl. And then I pick up the Almay. There is no money maker in Almay, but I just love this shade. I don't have any of this. This is the first time that I grab this product. I just find it cute. So the Almay lipstick is priced for $8.69. And this is what color is this? It's like matte. And this one is priced for $10.99. So it's kind of pricey, but we're able to save because of the CRT. So the total are $19.68 for 2. And then I used the 4 of 10 Almay Cosmetics CRT. I used the $5 instant coupon that I got today. And I used also the 3 of 2 Any Almay Cosmetic. So the total coupons that I use are $12. So I paid $7.68. And then I get back $4 extra box reward, making it $3.68 or $1.84 each. So even there's no money maker, I'm still happy because it's expensive, and then I just got it for $1.84 each. And then it will count toward beauty, including also the CoverGirl cosmetic. And then I pick up the Dove shampoo. It's 2 for $8. And when you buy 2, you will get $2 extra box reward. But my insert is beeping in this Dove. So I just let it go and still grab this shampoo. But there is a good thing also in this shampoo. It's because, so the 2 are $8 and then the $1.50 $2.50 digital coupon came out. And then there is $2 off Dove Hair Care CRT. So the total amount that I paid is $4.50. And then I got back $2 extra box reward, making it $2.50 for both, or $1.25 each. So still nice deal for the shampoo. And then I pick up the Axe deodorant because my husband always requests the Axe deodorant. So I grabbed the Phoenix. This is the scent that he's using. So it's buy 2 and you will get $2 extra box reward for the Axe. And this is my note. And it's buy 1 get 1 50% off. So the first is $6.59 and the 50% off is $3.59. So the two are $10.18. And then I use the $3 Any Axe manufacturing coupon that I got from Retail Minot. And I also used the Axe digital coupon also came out in this deal. So I paid $66.18 for 2 Axe, and then I get back $2 extra box reward, making it $4.18 for 2, or $2.09 each. So it's pricey, but it's okay because it's useful for my husband. He loves using it and still saving a lot in this Axe. And then I pick up also the Suave kits because my daughter is low in shampoo. And this one is 18 ounce. And it's priced for $4.49. There is no extra bucks on that. So the two are $8.98. And then I use 2 of $1.50 Suave Kids manufacturing coupon. So the two are $3. And I use also the 2 of 2 Suave CRT. So the total coupons are $5 less to $8.98. So I paid $3.98 for 2, or $1.99 each. So I got $8 for buying the Colgate. I got $7 for buying the CoverGirl. I got $2 for buying the Axe body wash. I got also $4 for buying the Almay cosmetic that I use in my third transaction. And then I use also $2 for buying the Dove body wash. So the total extra bucks that I got in the second transactions are $23. So this is the extra box. And then I will get also $3 extra box for heating the beauty. And this is my receipt for that. So $1.50 for Suave. In this deal, the other Suave insert that I gave did not came off, but the digital came off. So it's still a good deal. And all the CRT came off. And I used $25 extra box in this transaction. I paid $8.28 including the tax because of the Dove coupon did not came off also. And then I did another transaction. I used the $4 extra box reward from the Almay cosmetic and the $2 extra box reward that I got from Dove in this transaction. So I pick up again the Gillette Mac 3 and the Gillette Skin Guard. So it's buy 2 and you will get $10 extra box reward. And this is my note for that. So the Gillette Mac 3 is $9.79 and the Gillette Skin Guard is $10.99. Then I use the 5 of 20 Any Shave CRT. I use also the 5 of 2 Gillette Razor CRT. I use the 4 off Any Shave CRT, and I use also the $2 Gillette coupon from P&G. So the total are $4. So the total coupons that I use are $18. So I paid $2.78, and then I get back $10 extra bucks reward, making it $7.22 money maker in this Gillette. So I'm so happy. It's one of my big money maker when it comes to razor. And then I pick up also the Paparazzi nail polish. So I pick up this one. And it's $2 for $5. And when you buy 2, you will get $4 extra bucks reward. So this is my note for that. Buy 2 and get 4. So I use 1 of 5 Paparazzi CRT. So I paid $4, and then I get back $4 extra bucks reward, making it free. And this is the extra bucks that I got. 10 is for the Gillette, and 4 is the nail polish. It's $14. And this is my receipt. All the coupons came out and the CRT, and I used the $6 extra bucks reward from the second transaction. So I only paid 83 cents including the tax. So I'm so happy in this transaction. My total out of pocket from first, second, and third are $12.45. So this is my out of pocket. And then I have remaining $53 extra bucks reward because I already used the $6. If I did not use it, I have $59 plus $3 from Beauty that will come 2 days. So the remaining extra bucks is $53 plus 3. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please be safe and have a blessed day to everyone.